So today I'm going to tell you about the research methodology workshop that I have organized in Bihar University, and this was organized by the University Department of Psychology. You can see this teacher, she is Professor Usha ma'am, and you can see the people, the participants over here, and these two people, this person came from Nepal. His name is BRABU Pokhriyal, and other teachers and the students. I was welcoming them. This person is Mr. Professor Ratnesh Misra. Yeah, this one is Mr. BRABU Pokhriyal and his colleague from Nepal. You can see this person is Professor Upendra Bhakta. He was the then head of department of University Department of Psychology. Yeah, this is again Ratnesh Misra and other teachers on the dais. You can see the gathering, the participants, the teachers and the students and the scholars who came to join this workshop. This one is Professor Girish Misra. So it was a great gathering as the workshop ends.